Today we are making suspiro lino, a chilled Peruvian classic. This recipe serves 6 people, and the total prep time is 2 hours 30 minutes including chilling. Creamy custard, airy port meringue, and a hint of cinnamon. Let's get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk. 1 can, 12 ounces, of evaporated milk. 4 large egg yolks. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1/2 cup of ruby port wine. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 3 large egg whites. A pinch of ground cinnamon for dusting. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Separate 4 egg yolks and 3 egg whites. Put the yolks into a medium saucepan, and place the whites in a clean mixing bowl. Whisk the yolks, then add 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk and 1 can, 12 ounces, of evaporated milk. Whisk until the mixture is completely smooth. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a silicone spatula, until the custard thickens and coats the back of a spoon, about 12 to 15 minutes. Do not let it boil. Remove from heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until fully incorporated. Strain the custard through a fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl or a large measuring cup to make it extra silky. Divide the custard evenly into 6 small glass dessert cups, cover them, and refrigerate until fully chilled, at least 2 hours. Make the port syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of ruby port wine and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Bring to a gentle boil over medium heat and simmer until reduced by about half, 6 to 8 minutes. Remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes, until it is very warm but no longer boiling. Place 1 red bean ball in the center, pinch the edges to seal completely, then roll gently into a smooth sphere. Repeat with the remaining pieces. Lightly moisten the surface of each ball with a few drops of water, then roll to coat evenly in 80 grams of white sesame seeds. Preheat the air fryer to 190 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Lightly spray the basket with 5 milliliters of neutral oil spray. Arrange the sesame balls in the basket in a single layer, leaving space between each one. Air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Pause the cooking, gently turn the balls, and mist the tops with the remaining 5 milliliters of neutral oil spray. Continue air frying at 190 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes, until the sesame is golden and the balls are puffed. Transfer to a plate and let them cool for 5 minutes so the centers can set. Serve the Airfryer Sesame red bean mochi balls warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Thanks for cooking with me. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.